Just by clicking this video, you're already on the right path to a successful home buying experience. I'm super excited for you as you begin your journey and you learn more about how to buy your home successfully. After our conversation today, you'll be loaded up with wonderful resources that help you make a well-informed decision about buying your first home. My name is Andrew Finney, and my passion is helping you make sense of real estate. If you need help finding a top agent where you live, or if you simply want to drop me a line to say hello, my contact info is below. If you're new here, please go ahead and subscribe to this channel now and like this video. Thank you. Okay, my friend, let's take a closer look at everything that you're going to be learning through the first-time home buying experience, from everything including your credit, your budgeting, your financing, selecting a home, homeowner's insurance, closing, taxes, and agencies. Let's go ahead and get right into it. The first resource that you have is going to the Department of Housing and Urban Development, also known as an acronym HUD or simply HUD. So you might be wondering, okay, so that's great. Now I know a new acronym and a new place to go, but what exactly does the Housing and Urban Development do? The Housing and Urban Development oversees federal programs that help make quality, affordable housing available for everybody. They have a lot of different resources, including a home buyer's guide, a mortgage guide, even how to find HUD homes that are for sale, and state-specific information that can help you. So there's actually 4 different links that are in the show more description below underneath this first point. So please add this video to your favorites and save the links below as your bookmarks on your phone. The second resource available to you is the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau, also known as an acronym CFPB. The CFPB is a federal agency that helps protect consumers in the financial sector. Specifically, what they do is they help protect your interest in explaining you the loan options available to you to help you make a smart decision about which loan types are right for you and how to avoid costly mistakes when you get to the closing table. Just like the other great resources, this one is also hyperlinked in the show more description below. So after our conversation, go over to the consumerfinance.gov website and look up Know Before You Owe, which is an initiative of the CFPB to help you know about your loan options and makes the lending process more transparent and easier to compare. They also have really helpful information about loan estimate explainers and closing disclosure explainers that will help empower you to know even more information as you're receiving quotes from mortgage loan officers. The third resource is heading over to the National Association of Exclusive Buyer Agents. Now, these are real estate practitioners that only represent buyers in real estate. Their website has a wealth of information on it, from getting to know more about real estate agents to mortgage loan options to even how to find the right home for you. The fourth resource are the real estate commissions of each and every state. Okay, so right now we're not talking about real estate commissions that an agent's going to earn when they represent you successfully in the purchase of your new home. We're talking about the real estate commissions that govern the practice of real estate agents in the state itself. Oftentimes they have state-specific information that can be very organic and very unique to your exact living situation in your exact area, from specialized loan programs that might be available to examples of what contracts look like, so that you have an opportunity to review the contracts in detail to ensure that you're comfortable and confident every step of the way. The fifth resource available to you are first-time home buying seminars. Now, first-time home buying seminars are really cool because oftentimes they'll have a real estate broker, they also have a mortgage broker, and even the title company. It hits every single aspect of 3 of the key players in helping you buy your new home, so you can hear what you're going to go through from the real estate side to better understanding what to look for in your mortgage and understanding how the closing process works, courtesy of the title officer that's going to be presenting. Now, to find one of these near you is very simple. Go on Google and simply type in first-time home buyer seminars or home buying seminars near you. Doing so will give you the information so you can easily put it on the calendar and attend the next one that's right for you. The sixth resource are actually real estate agents. Real estate agents themselves are subject matter experts. I mean, this is what we do all the time. We study the real estate market. We know what's going on with the market conditions, the market trends, what the current offer strategies are, what the current listing strategies are, and we can share all of this information with you, including reviewing the documentation that you'll be signing for your buyer disclosures and how an offer actually looks on paper, and explain every detail to you in that contract to help you make a well-informed decision and know how best to negotiate in the current market. Real estate agents also have a lot of very helpful information about crime stats in your area, demographic information in your area, and can load you up on any and every resource that you could possibly want to help you make sure that you're not only finding the right home for you, but you're finding the right neighborhood for you. I highly recommend that you call a trusted real estate advisor, set what's called a buyer consultation meeting with them to review the home buying process, a timeline to prepare you before you're ready. Now, if you're wondering how soon should you be contacting a trusted real estate advisor, anywhere from 3 to 24 months before getting ready to buy a home, it's not a bad idea to go ahead and start a game plan moving forward to help you be successful when the time is right for for you to buy your new home. So now if you're wondering how to find a trusted real estate advisor, you have a few different options. The first one is simply Google agents in the area. What you want to look for in specific are their ratings, their reviews, and their past sales performance. I've made an entire video dedicated to how to find the right agent for you. In fact, it's already at the end of this episode, so once you finish this one, you'll be ready to go on how to pick the right agent for you. The second thing that you can do is simply ask your family members or your friends that have purchased a home or sold a home for the real estate agent contact if they enjoyed working with that real estate advisor. Simply ask them, did you have fun working with that real estate agent? Did you have any questions through the process that wasn't answered, and would you use them again? If the answer to that question is yes, we would use them again, then ask them for the agent's information, call them, and see if they're going to be right for you. The third option that you have is to simply contact me in the show more description below, and I'll help find a top agent for you near you. And of course, if you're in Las Vegas, Nevada, I'm in Las Vegas, Nevada, and we can set a time to meet. Just give me a jingle and we'll make it happen. And the seventh place you're already using right now, and that's YouTube. Simply Google first-time homebuyers, homebuyer programs, how to buy a house. All of those different search queries are going to turn up huge amounts of results. So you might want to stay away from the people that aren't real estate agents or that might seem like they don't know what they're talking about, and focus on the ones that do know what they're talking about, and focus on the ones that are licensed, trusted real estate advisors to best help you make sense of the real estate process. Okay, my friends, so those are 7 really good resources that you can use to get even more information to educate yourself about being a first-time home buyer, how the home buying process works, and a better understanding how to meet with a mortgage loan officer to review your home loan needs. Okay, please remember, with all the resources that I mentioned during our conversation right now, they're in the show more description below waiting for you to bookmark. Please save this video to your favorites and refer back to it frequently through your home buying journey. Now let's talk about how to pick the right agent for you and 5 compromises to never make as a first-time home buyer. Looking forward to our next conversation. We'll see you in a few.